In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. Sign in if you need to, then open the chart you want to trade. You can choose any market or time frame you're analyzing. The key is to be on the chart screen where you can see price action and your tools. At the bottom of the chart, look for the trading panel. Click trade to open the order ticket. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window is expanded and you're on the chart view, not a separate layout. Once the panel is open, you'll see options to buy or sell along with order settings. Choose buy or sell based on your trade idea. This doesn't have to execute immediately. Think of it as preparing your ticket. Next, set the order type to market so it's ready to fill at the current price. Market is the simplest way to demonstrate stop loss and take profit because it focuses on risk and target levels rather than entry price placement. Now enable the take profit and stop loss options on the ticket. You'll see toggles or checkboxes for both. When they're on, TradingView will show fields for the exact price levels, and on the chart you'll typically see draggable lines that represent your stop and your target. Adjust the prices to match your plan. You can type in the exact stop loss price and take profit price, or use the chart handles to drag each line to the level you prefer. As you move them, keep an eye on the projected profit and loss shown in currency, percentage, or ticks, depending on your settings. This helps you quickly confirm your risk to reward ratio. A common approach is aiming for at least 1 to 2 or better, but align it with your strategy and the structure you see on the chart. If you prefer working in percentages, many tickets let you switch from price to percent or distance. You can also align your stop with recent swing highs or lows, key support or resistance, or a volatility measure. The exact method is up to your system. The important part is that the numbers reflect what you're willing to risk and what you reasonably expect to make. Once both levels look right, you're set. From here, when you execute your trade, TradingView will automatically attach the stop loss and take profit, so your risk is defined from the start. Double check the values one more time and make sure they match your plan, then you're good to go. That's how to set stop loss and take profit in TradingView quickly and confidently.